Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be making such kind of a thing. Okay, so I will just delete some objects, and what we will make is such kind of a thing. So you can see it's many complex geometry, and you can see this is just like a rock broken. So it's too heavy geometry, that's why it's played a little slow, and also there is streaming started, so it's slower. So we will be making this. So first of all I will reset the scene. Okay, close other things. All right. Okay, so here we go. Of course, first of all a plane. So we can make any object brick like that. So let's start. We will make a sphere, let's say, and this is the sphere. Okay, so just make it up. So basically if you just select that, okay, and then just bake it. So what we'll do is just simple box, rigid box. That's what it does. So we are not going to make like that. So what we will do here, first of all you will have to install the RAYFIRE plugin. So the RAYFIRE plugin, it's you can go to the official RAYFIRE studios, and from here you can find it, and then you can get it. Okay, so when you install it, here you will see these options, RAYFIRE. So here now I will select this one, RAYFIRE Voronoi. So just when I selected, I can select fragment. Okay, so it is fragmented. There you can see. You press this, fragments are made. Okay. Now here I will explain this. You can see here num points. So these are now 100 parts. It is split into 100 parts. Not 100. These green dots, these are 100. Wherever they are touching, that part is broken. So I will increase this to, let's say, 2000. Okay, you can see now it's more parts. There is one other thing. This is sphere, so you can select here spherical. So all these green dots will be inside that, and more particles they are broken. Okay, same procedure here also. Ignore this one. This is fragments, right? So you can just randomize the shape by going, let's say, so it would now be random. This is just random seed. Stretching means the scale of this shapes will be longer or higher or width or wider, just like so. What happened there? You can see the shape became stretched. You can see I increased to 100 there. But we don't like that. You can, like, if you make it 0 and increase this as 100, so that is the shape. But we don't want like that, so for now just ignore it. Come on guys, come on. Okay, gluing. Glue means like the objects which are near, so it makes them as one. It is turned off. Remove it. Delete means if it is too small, so it is deleted, turned off. Okay, now there is another thing, this gap. So when I increase this, the size distance between the fragments increases, that one. So this has benefit. While simulating, they will not penetrate. I'll just increase them 0.05. Okay, there is one other thing, noise here. So this means that the concentration of the broken objects, the density, where more broken objects, where will be more broken objects, where will be less. So like let's say 2, no visible change. Let's say like 50. There you can see now on one side there is more broken pieces, on this side less. So scale, let's say 25. So it is now, here you can see more broken, less broken, there is also more broken. You can increase the iterations. So you got the point. Alright, after making this, you need to explode 2 objects, and that's it. That is the spare. Now we have to animate it. So there is a RAYFIRE animation also, but I will just select this, and here this can be visible by coming here, press this portion will become visible. This will come on the side, you can then drag it there. Okay, okay, selected. Now we can just play it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit. But there is no keys, you cannot play back. So just make it back. For inserting keys, press here and back all. So this is now making keys for all. It will start and then it will finish quickly. Come on. So there it is. So we will just wait for this to finish. Alrighty. Yeah, now we can play. Okay. See some parts, they just go out. And it's okay. Let's play it in slow motion. Right, nice. Nice. Okay. There is another thing. Let's say I will just delete these all. I selected this box. Alright. So what I will do is RAYFIRE. There it is. So I will just open it. It is there. Okay. So select that. This is the RAYFIRE interface. In the objects and the dynamic objects, add this one in the static. Okay, so the method is same. You can just back and there, that's how it just animates. This is 1/4. Okay, now what I am trying to do is this box will break just when it hits the ground. So I will come here to physics tab, note the settings, come down here, you can see demolish geometry, do all the settings same like this. Okay, now you can, let's see. Come on. Okay, so what happened? It didn't break. Because the reason is that the force was not enough. So I will just change the amount force required to break. Or you can just change the direction of this. Now let's try. There it is. So you can see after hitting it breaks, but the amount of particles it breaks, it's not much. So for that, come into fragments, select this one, and here you can select iterations, select like 20. Now press back. See, now it's taking time. Nice. But one thing in this physics simulation RAYFIRE, it's not much better. There is some wrong simulation. It looks good, nice. But you can see there are some goes through the ground. So that we cannot control. We can, but we'll check on that later. For now I will just cancel it. So you see that objects it broke is more. Now it broke, but it was not much. on the spot, so decrease the divergence. Now let's check. There you can see it breaks more on the impact point. Okay, so you just saw what happens. Look at this one, it just rests and then jumps, so that's wrong. Okay, so that's how this works, the RAYFIRE plugin, and that's how you break the objects in this one. You can work on any objects, like let's say I'll write my channel name. Okay, select some bold font. This one. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I will add it here and start the simulation. When it collides, it will break. Great. अच्छा जी, तो कौन कौन है हमारे साथ अभी? जी आप चैट कर सकते हैं जनाब। चलो जी, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर चैट। ओके, तो ये कंप्लीट हो गया अभी। ओके, दिस इज नाइस। Okay, nice. This T, A and M breaks more, man, why? Okay, now in this one, when it's completely simulated, so the actual text gets hidden and the rest of the particles gets added here. So if you want to undo, you have to delete these and unhide this and add it here. That's what you have to do. Now what I will do is I'll just make this more rigid. So that okay. We'll check what does this result cluster. For now, turn this off. Here material solidity. So increase it to that. Let's see now. It didn't break. So it means it doesn't break easily now. It didn't break again. I make it same again. It didn't break again. What the hell, man? Something wrong here. The heck? What is wrong, guys? What is wrong? Hey man, how is it going? Okay, increase that. There, it's breaking now. We don't want that yet. Material solidity 0.7. Didn't break. Breaks now. I haven't used TY flow, man. I have no idea about that. What I want to do is Let's try it with other things first. Let's delete it. What I am going to do is, let's say this is box in the front view. Center to object, and I will clone. Okay. Now what I want to do is, this will be the side wall of it. So select that one inside, clone again, copy. Okay. Now select the outer boolean and select the entire inside one and subtract. So what happened? What happened is that this box is now empty inside. This is the one outside and this is inside. You can see if I take this out for now and I go inside of it, there it is. Just Control Z. I will just align this to this. Okay, because I want to make a thing like that is the rock inside and this is the side wall, soft concrete. So I will just give some space in this, just decrease the scale. I think that's enough. So now what I will do is, add these both here, but turn off this. So let's bake it first. What the hell? Okay, so here you can see they are still penetrating. So I can just do is decrease it even more. Let's see now. The outer box is box 2. The thing is that this also is not much detailed thing, man. So one thing we can do is first simulate it with this. Okay. That also doesn't work. It will work. You just have to select the outer box, mesh, what the hell? First of all, just convert this to editable poly. Now apply this. Because the thing is, this object is not getting the correct geometry. Okay, let's see now. So it went through. Because this doesn't have any shape, so let's give it again a rigid body. Well, man. Okay guys, so one thing we can do is anyway leave it. What now I will do is I will just make a bare glass Okay, and here lathe. So I hope you guys understand what I did. Okay. Okay, this looks like a violin, man. Anyway, okay. We'll increase the segments and now convert to irritable poly. So remove these wrong segments. Use delete, and that is one, right? No. So select and weld them. Now it's one. Yes. Here also. One. Okay. Now what I will do, okay, now this object will be added here and this here. This will break on falling. Okay, it didn't break. It is more solid. Still it didn't break, man, what the hell? Wait a minute. It will break now. There it is. But it broke as a whole, man. It should be only some pieces. Just apply a material. Okay. So you can just cancel it. I will increase these so it will break into more pieces. It will fall fast. Let's see. Wrong. What the hell is this? Is this magic? What we can do is, because it's bricking on early points, so I just want to make it brick on the hitting point here only. Again wrong. One, two, and these will be only 10. Let's try on different settings. Okay, this seems cool. Now I want it to be broken more. Let's see. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Just I will decrease the scale of all. Just this. You just want that its motion looks realistic. Now this looks like real world scale. What I mean is this is falling from a table. Okay, so that's it, and add this also in this. Let's see. Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass, man? Who is the person? Oh shit. So like if you want to increase these parts, what you will do is increase this. Let's try. What the hell, man? For that, decrease this. Also increase the in between segments. So you have to go back and forth to different settings. Good one. But not physically correct. I'm trying out different settings. So there are other things also, like you can see this one. I'll try on that. Okay, I think what the hell. It's okay, man. Okay. Right. Okay, so how is it, guys? Now I can close here, and I will just now what thing you will do, because here also it's visible. So you go to the first one and it's there. So you select this all, first of all select that one, assign to anyone. And on 19th it will be there, and on 20th it will be 0. Okay, so similarly all the objects will be not here, and this object will be not visible. Just okay. So all of these objects at this point, these will be not visible. Here it will be visible, and here not. Here also not. Okay, you can see the transit between. So now apply one material. will be a little refractive, just like 1.5. Like that. It's getting slower because there is this one. And also a little reflection. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is how the glass looks. Now you will see the reflection. Just anything. one is not good. There is a tile. There is a tile. This one. Yes, it's a RAYFIRE plugin, man. I will show you. This bricking was done with that. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing is I will just make it photorealistic, and the RAYFIRE thing is done. So that's how it works, guys. So I will see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching. And